Hello everybody, this is Solar Tiger with another wind and solar power video. Today is Sunday the 24th of May and the time now is approximately 20 past 7 in the evening. It has been a pretty sunny day today. It's been bright. It rained for a while in the morning, but the rest of the day it's been sunny. So we worked out in the garden. I did hedge trimming with the cordless hedge trimmer, and I did some tidying in the garden. We cut all the hedging around the front garden as well, and I put a gate in the front garden, so I used the power drill and the cordless hedge trimmer. I used these devices and I charged the batteries up with the inverter. I also charged my headphones and the electric bike battery. I'm also been using the DC battery charger. I charged up my heated jacket battery, and also for an hour or two I ran my laptop. This is a Dell XPS 17 laptop. I ran this for an hour or two doing some updates. I ran this from the inverter. The laptop draws approximately 50 watts when it's not doing anything too taxing, and it goes up to about 100 watts when it's doing more intense processing. So anything where it has to crunch some numbers, it uses about 100 watts. Now, you'll know that the other day I built a frame for the solar panels. If I just zoom into it, that's the frame on top of the shed where the two 100 watt solar panels are mounted. Now they used to be flat on the shed roof, but I built this stand to raise up the angle. So the angle at the moment is not ideal. It's approximately 30 degrees. In an ideal world it would be 52 degrees, which is our latitude. So anyway, at the moment they're at 30 degrees, but I've seen an improvement in the solar panel output. If I also move over to the Rutland 913, that's been turning today. There's only been a slight breeze. At the moment it's producing approximately 6 volts. The power peaked at 11.3 watts today, so not much from the wind turbine, but a good day for the solar panels. If I just zoom it out again, and we come inside, I will show you some good numbers. Okay, this is the solar panel input meter, and I have some nice numbers to show you. Right, with a change in the angle of the solar panels, we peaked at 194.7 watts. That was a current of 5.49 amps. We have produced a massive 583.4 watt hours, which is 16.16 amp hours. Now I was using the inverter today, so that's partly why the generation is high. At the moment we're producing 15 watts. If I'm lucky, by the end of the day I may reach 600 watt hours. I haven't reached that number since last summer, so it's a good omen. So anyway, I will tell you that 194 watts out of a potential 200 watts is very good. It's the highest I've ever seen. The solar panel's maximum current is 5.8 amps, and we reached 5.49, or basically 5.5 amps, so that's good too. And we haven't really got to the summer yet, so increasing the angle of the solar panels has helped, but also the amount of power that is produced by our solar panels in watts and watt hours is governed by what loads you run. If you run less loads, then your batteries will not need as much charging, and they will charge up quicker, and then you won't be producing any power. It's all controlled by the solar panel regulator. This is a maximum power point tracking solar regulator. I was putting over 12 amps into my batteries today, and that is the benefit of using a maximum power point tracking controller. This is the Sunsaver MPPT from Morningstar. It's rated at 15 amps. The input voltage maximum is 75 volts. So that's that. My panels peak at about 40 something volts, and output, well, the specified maximum output is 5.8 amps. I reached 5.5 amps today. This controller has a maximum current rating of 15 amps output. So that is that. It's a good day for the solar. I am still running my wind power experiment without the regulator. It's going okay at the moment, but we're supposed to have a windy day next week, so I will report back on that. So this is Solar Tiger saying thank you for watching and enjoy my videos. Thank you.